Okay, I'm going to make a video of my plasma table. I have sheet cam open and I will import a basic shape, a circle, two-inch circle. Okay, I got to move it down to the corner here. Add to current part. So now I have a circle, 4 nodes, 4 arcs, as some would call it. I am going to go to a plasma cut operation. Shape 45 amp 14 gauge. I have an end of cut. I have a 1/8 inch lead in, no lead out. There's my end of cut roll. Alright, I am going to post-process it, and I'm going to save it as this circle. Okay, now I'm going to open up Command-CNC. I am going to open my recently used file, which is the circle I just saved. There it is right there. Okay. I'm not going to home the machine because I already ran a test cut, but I'm going to move it over just a little bit there. I'm going to 0 all of them. Okay. If you look in the code down here at the bottom where it says end of job, move to predefined part position, the code says, you know, move the Z height 3/4 of an inch off the table. Alright, now I have a sheet already loaded, so I'm going to hit run, and this is what it does. And it just stops. It doesn't return back to 0. That's because it stops on the code right there. Okay, now we're going to go back into sheet cam. We're going to reopen the rule and we're going to select none. We're going to hit OK, and then we're going to post process it, and we're going to overwrite the same file. We'll go back to Command-CNC. We're going to raise it up, move it over, and I'm going to 0 everything. Now watch what happens when I hit run. Same thing. We'll go back to Command-CNC and we'll go to this rule. On circles smaller than 1.5 inches, set the speed to 65%, turn off the horse height control, and then 1/4 inch before end, set feed to 100%. Hit OK. We'll hit OK. We'll post process. We'll overwrite the same circle. Now we'll go into Command-CNC. I think I missed that the first time. But I will raise it up, move it over, and I will 0, 0, 0, and then I will hit run. Same thing. Same thing. We'll go back and we'll go to none. We'll post process. We'll overwrite. We'll open up Command-CNC. We'll open up the same circle. And now, underneath no parking values, we have XOYO. So I forgot to open up that file the first time. So we're going to cut this one and watch what it does. And I'll hit run. Stop. Let me home Z first. Okay, we'll zero my Z now, hit run. That's with no rule. So I'll move it over again. I'll zero X, Y, and Z, and I'll run it again. And it just stops. I'm on version 1.22. I have version 1.617, which is the update there. There's the original 1.22 there. And I also have the updates here. That doesn't matter. There's the 1.67 update. There's the 1.31. It doesn't matter if I run Command-CNC 1.22. It doesn't matter if I run Command-CNC 1.31 RC. When here's a kernel update, it doesn't matter if I run that, and it doesn't matter if I run that. So I'm trying to figure this out. I'm thinking it might be a sheet cam issue.